I'm right back on here with another video, and the reason for that is because I've already got so much done you just don't even know about it. All right, so here we go. In this video, we're going to get into just whatever it takes to finish tearing the game down, recondition anything else that's left behind on the base game, and it's going to primarily cover things like ball guide, reconditioning, transformer rebuild, power box build up, reconditioning a lot of strange parts that you don't see on all the games you do, like the hologram. Now the hologram, I kind of approach it and build it up as if it works, but I got no idea if it works. I got no control over if it works. Got nothing to do with that. It's a picture. And if the picture is still good and the light hits it and it shows, that's great. If it doesn't, there's not much I can do about it, but I do have a backup plan. So that's kind of an unknown. There's really no way to test that. And so we deal with that. We get into that. I wash the Playfield, and I know a lot of people love to watch me wash a Playfield. I'm saying that probably sarcastically, because so often in the comments, people are like, what are you doing washing the Playfield? It's like, hey man, I've been doing this shit for 25 years. Don't even worry about it. I know what the fuck I'm doing. I don't need any help from you. So anyway, we'll see me do that and go over that maybe on the back end. One song will last the entire video. Just kind of got this little head trip shit going on lately. And I'll just do that because I put in my headphones, I just work and I just zone out. I don't think too much about it. And I don't know. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. That goes a long ways. It just lets me know I'm not wasting my time making these. That's all it does. It doesn't put any money in my pocket. Doesn't make my life any easier, but it makes me happy to know that you're happy. So give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and let's get to work.
To the age to get down, we found our sound. Welcome to the age to get down, we found our sound. Get your boots on, we're going to town. Our tribe, we found our sound. Welcome to the age to get down, we found our sound. Welcome to the age to get down, we found our sound. Got leather shields, gonna take their arrows. Our hearts can feel each other's sorrows. Welcome to the age to get down, we found our sound. Welcome to the age to get down, it's time to get down. house outside. With tears in her eyes, they told her some lies. And now she knows why. She hears her soul. And she lets her hair grow so long. She waves goodbye. She starts to fly.
Okay, there's just one more strategy, a different way of doing things. I got so many different ways of doing things. You'd probably, I wish I could put it all into words or into videos or whatever, but whatever you see is what you get. It varies job to job. Now on this one in particular, I don't want people to think they should just go around washing their playfields. That'd be a really good way to destroy something if you were going to reuse it. But in this case, I am going to replace the playfield, so it just kind of becomes like this glorified parts holder. And there is no better way to scrub and clean wires than if they're anchored down in exactly the position they're supposed to go in. I'll tell you why that's a big advantage when you can do it. You can't do it often. Mostly you're going to be able to do this if you're replacing the playfield and if it's in pretty good unhacked shape. If somebody's butchered it a lot, no, you're going to have to dissect it. And I have to do it all the time. But the reason it's such an advantage is because with it, everything anchored down in the shape that it's supposed to be in, you can really get at everything, scrub it just the way you want it to look. You know it's going to look good when you put it back on, and everything's maintaining its shape and order. So what I'll be able to do with this is I'll be able to loosen all this stuff up and then put it over onto the new playfield, and I'll still rebuild everything and new switches and all the things I always do, but I won't have to break it down piece by piece in order to do it. I'll kind of be able to move this thing as a whole assembly over onto the new playfield and then deal with it from there. It's going to look great. It's going to turn out good. I can already see it. Like, you know, I can spot the potential in these things or the not potential in them, and this is going to be good. This is going to be good. And I'm kind of amazed by it, to be honest with you, because it was such a shit show up top. I mean, all that rust, all that corrosion, all that hot glue, all that bullshit. And then you get underneath here, and once you get past the flippers, they butchered those pretty good. But once you get past that, it's untouched. I mean, this thing is factory fresh. Nobody's ever done a thing to this game. And the metal condition, for whatever reason, has survived really well on the bottom side. Didn't do so well on the top side. Hard to tell how that works. But anyway, that's where things are at. And if you like it, give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you in the next video where we start to put this shit together and turn this into a game again.